with us. Thank you so much. Well, right here in my backyard, our final feature for today, and then we go to the waiting list. Steve Watson, what's up, my friend?
Hey, hi, sweetheart. Good to see everybody. This is Luna. She's with me. This first one is for Jude Marr. It's called Thalassotherapy. And you all know what that means.
Nice. There you are. You need to unmute, please.
Oh, unmute. Hey, I'm here. Hi,
Very
I was talking.
good.
Yay.
Hey.
I'm Steve. This is Luna. This first one is for Jude Marr. It's called Thalassotherapy. But you all know what that means now. This body, mostly water. After the battery, the assault, I'm sobbing and mostly salt. I cogitate, I ruminate, I meditate. No self, only salt and skin and the acrid sound of forgetting. Salt enters, cleaning me. Salt enters, pain remains. The sea enters where thought once stood and leaves a shell. Float until the self forgets its name. Thank you. So this is a love poem, I guess, which is not exactly like me. Her heart rests in infinity, a Bodidharma's abode. Nestle-rested in the shining, shallow-seeming sea of the golden, edgeless infinity whose waters never roil, never stale, never break, whose residence uncountable, countenance none but bliss, and whose treasure is the formless, the nameless, the getless, gateless now. Her hair curls its curling infinite loops as if to remind us all of the story threads left unsung, unheard, unsaid, of the consciousnesses who'd come before. Sunset cheeks and tamarind eyes, brows of happy hairs and prairie dales, her nose, the foothill of her pineals perch, there to cast its loving gaze upon the lost, the lonely, the nights, the moon, the days, her nose a glint and gilt enso, the Ouroboros of eternity. The only curls her endless messes, tresses have no guesses of, the only curves her locks have not unlocked, the curls of the corners of her mouth.
I do love a good love poem. Thank you so much, Steve. Thank you so much.
I feel all squishy.
Woo! And hello, Luna. Hello, Luna.
Hi.
Hey, folks. I want you to know just very quickly, since,